On the hunt for a reliable, modern broker with strong trading tools, diverse assets, and a focus on education, Evest claims to be a modern solution for traders. But how well does it actually deliver in today's competitive market? And is it the right broker for you? In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about Evest. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Evest is a global trading platform offering access to a variety of tradable market instruments such as Forex, stocks, indices, and more. Known for its commission-free stock trading and user-friendly platform, Evest caters to both beginners and experienced traders. Founded with a focus on transparency and user empowerment, Evest is regulated by the VFSC and follows international compliance standards. The platform is packed with features from advanced charting tools and daily market analysis to integrated economic calendars and educational resources. With multiple account types, market analysis tools, and available educational resources, Evest aims to make trading accessible and straightforward. When it comes to market variety, the broker offers a well-rounded selection of trading instruments. Traders can access over 500 assets across multiple categories. These include Forex currency pairs, commission-free global stocks, commodities, indices, and a growing range of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, Evest provides a diverse selection of assets to suit different strategies and goals. One key feature about this broker is their investment basket, which offers a streamlined approach to portfolio diversification, allowing traders to invest in curated groups of assets tailored to specific sectors or themes. These baskets are designed to minimize risk and maximize potential returns by grouping related instruments, providing a balanced exposure to various markets. With real-time insights and dynamic charts, Evest ensures that investors have the tools needed to make informed decisions and monitor their investments effectively. The broker operates under the regulation of the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, which oversees its compliance with international standards for financial services. While the VFSC is considered an offshore regulator, Evest emphasizes transparency, client fund protection, and responsible trading practices on its platform. However, traders should always consider the level of regulatory oversight when choosing a broker. Additionally, the broker is also regulated by the Mwali International Services Authority and the FSCA in South Africa. With Evest, there's a clear effort to follow established guidelines and build trust with its global user base. Evest offers a tiered deposit bonus program, rewarding traders with bonuses ranging from 15% to 50% based on the deposit amount. For instance, a deposit between $250 and $5,000 earns a 15% bonus, while deposits of up to $50,000 or more receive a 50% bonus. Additionally, the broker's referral program allows users to earn $300 for each friend they refer who signs up and makes a deposit, with no cap on the number of referrals. These promotions are designed to enhance the trading experience and provide added value to Evest's clients. Evest offers a range of platforms to suit different trading styles. Their web trader runs smoothly on any browser, with no downloads needed, ideal for quick and easy access across devices. For more advanced traders, Evest supports MetaTrader 5, known for its powerful charting tools, indicators, and automated trading features. For traders on the move, the Evest mobile application, which is available on Android and iOS devices, offers real-time market access, trade execution, and account management anytime, anywhere. With these flexible platform options, Evest ensures you're always connected to the markets. The broker offers a range of trading account types tailored to different investor needs and capital levels. These include the silver, gold, platinum, and diamond accounts, with copy trading features as well as demo and Islamic account options. The silver account features a minimum deposit of $250, provides essential features like an account manager, daily market summaries, and market analysis, with spreads starting from 1.8 pips. For those investing between $5,000 and $20,000, The Gold account adds daily SMS signals and tighter spreads starting from 1.4 pips. Their Platinum account, requiring quite a large deposit, includes all gold features plus access to a senior account manager, the trading central platform, and spreads from 0.9 pips. Their highest tier, the Diamond account, which offers a substantially large minimum deposit, offers the most comprehensive benefits, customized spreads starting from 0.5 pips, no withdrawal fees, and exclusive event access. The broker offers a copy trading feature that enables users to replicate the trades of top-performing traders in real time. This tool is designed to help both beginners and busy investors by allowing them to mirror successful strategies without active management. With access to over 400 instruments, live data, and no additional cost, Evest's copy trading provides a streamlined approach to portfolio diversification. Whether you're new to trading or looking to optimize your investments, Evest's copy trading offers an effective way to engage with the markets. The broker also offers a 100% interest-free Islamic account, designed to comply with Sharia law. This account features no interest or swap charges on overnight positions, no commissions, and access to over 400 instruments. A minimum deposit of $1,000 is required to open an Islamic account with full account verification. The broker also provides a free demo trading account with a $25,000 virtual balance, allowing traders to practice strategies without financial risk. This account offers access to over 400 instruments and is available on the WebTrader, mobile, and MetaTrader 5 platforms. Traders can experience real-time market data, execute trades, and utilize tools like Trading Central and Evest Analytics at no additional cost. Ideal for beginners and those testing new strategies, their demo account is a valuable resource for building confidence and refining trading skills. Creating an account with Evest is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, click on the Start Trading button. Next, you'll want to fill out your personal information and create a password, after which you will need to verify your account and choose your preferred trading account type. Additionally, you can just simply open a demo account if you wish to check out their platforms and practice trading in a simulated market environment. After you have submitted your verification information and your account has been verified, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the Evest WebTrader. Choose and select your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the Evest WebTrader. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of Evest's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the screen, you have your chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, indicators, and daily signals for you to browse through and customize your dashboard according to your preferences. And at the right side of the screen, you have a nice and simple one-click buy and sell order window. Additionally, within their WebTrader, you can view copy trading, contact support, view educational resources, economic calendars, and much more. If you are new to trading, Evest provides a variety of helpful educational content over on their Trading Academy for you to browse through and to help you understand the basics of platform functionality in order to place your first trade. The broker supports a variety of payment and withdrawal options to make funding your account easy and flexible. Traders can use credit and debit cards, bank wire transfers, and popular e-wallets to deposit and withdraw funds securely. The minimum withdrawal amount is $25, and processing times may vary depending on the chosen method and financial institution. All transactions are protected with strong encryption to ensure safety and confidentiality. The broker provides a comprehensive suite of educational tools through its academy, catering to traders of all experience levels. Their academy offers free courses covering topics from basic Forex education to advanced trading strategies. traders can access ebooks, daily market news, live webinars, and real-time trading signals to enhance their trading skills. Some additional resources include heat maps, calculators, and a glossary to support informed decision-making. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your strategies, their educational offerings are designed to empower traders with the knowledge needed for success. Additionally, the broker provides a comprehensive suite of market insights to support traders in making informed decisions. Their market news section offers daily updates on key economic events, stock movements, and market trends, helping traders stay ahead of market shifts. Their technical analysis delivers detailed charts, resistance and support levels, and expert commentary on various instruments. Additionally, they host live webinars and seminars offering real-time market discussions and trading strategies, providing traders with the opportunities to learn from experts and engage with the trading community. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Evest's news and analysis resources are designed to enhance your trading experience and support your investment decisions. Over the years of service, Evest have received a variety of notable awards, highlighting their commitment and dedication within the trading industry. Some of their most recent awards include the Best Trading Tools, the Best CFD Broker Award, the Top Reliable Crypto Baskets, the Best AI-Based Trading Tools, and many other awards, highlighting its continuous contribution to developing innovative technologies designed to transform the future of Forex trading. These accolades underscore the broker's dedication to providing cutting-edge trading services tailored to the needs of investors in the digital age. Overall, Evest proves to be a versatile and forward-thinking broker, offering traders access to over 400 instruments. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, the broker's range of account types, including their interest-free Islamic account and feature-rich demo account, caters to a wide variety of trading styles and needs. The broker's dedication to security and compliance, trading platforms like the WebTrader, MetaTrader 5 and their intuitive mobile application provides a seamless experience with powerful tools, real-time data, and innovative features such as copy trading. Perfect for those looking to learn by following expert traders or diversifying their portfolios effortlessly. Evest is also supported by practical features like its risk-free demo account, diverse payment options, and multilingual customer support. Education and market analysis tools are readily available, helping users stay informed and improve their trading knowledge over time. Backed by regulatory oversight and recognized by industry awards, the broker continues to grow as a trusted name in the online trading space. So for anyone looking for a flexible, user-focused trading experience, Evest stands out as a broker that successfully blends technology, variety, and user-focused features into a well-rounded trading experience. And that is our overview of Evest. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.